Hey there guys, Pratyush here back with a brand new video, and in this video we are going to create a QR code generator just using Python. Now for this we will be using an external library known as QRcode. So basically I will be showing you how to download that in the further step. First of all, visit this website, that is PyPI, and then just search in QR code and hit that search icon. Now you will get this kind of page, that QRcode 6.1. So grab that link that says pip install QRcode. Now I will be showing you how can you install the QRcode 6.1 just inside your terminal. So here I am inside my Mac and I have opened my terminal up. So basically I will type in pip install QRcode, or you can copy and paste that link. And after that been done, just hit enter. And as you know, for me the requirements are already satisfied, but you have to install that. So with that been set up, let's start coding. So here we are inside our IDE. I have created a qr.py file which will house all my files inside it. So let me start code by importing that QR code. So basically I have imported the QR code here. Now in this line of code, I have just defined a function that is QRcode, which is version 1, and the box size or the border, you can set the default parameters out right there. I have set the argument to 10 and 5 for my convenient way. So now here is my data. Basically my data is hello, I am a QR code. So we will be typing this kind of text. So this will be the text that is converted into an QR code. Now I will be adding that data that is in my string format to the function that is add data. This function is available on the page, so you make sure to check that page out. Now I will be make sure that the data that we are importing in the QR code, it should be fit inside that whole image. So basically you can do it by .make function and make sure to fit equals to true. Now I have created a variable here known as image, which says that the image should be filled with black color and the back color, that is even though the background color should be white. Now we will be storing that value inside our image variable. So now in this line of code I am basically saving that by using that save function, and it should be saved with one.png file. So basically this is it. So let me just run this program into my terminal and I will be showing you how to convert your text into a QR code. So here we are inside our terminal. Let me just open up my file qr.py and then hit enter. Now as you can see, our text has been converted into one.png, which consists of a QR code, which looks great. And this is the same QR which we have just written in our code. So basically this is it. Now the most important thing, get in our touch. You can get in our touch by our social media, and you can even though email us on proxlite02@gmail.com. So this was a basic and short tutorial on creating a QR code just from scratch. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.